channel Kids Cloud.
Please subscribe to this channel Kids Cloud. Units of capacity.
Kids, have you heard of word capacity? So what is a capacity? In simple words, we can say that it is the maximum amount of something, especially a liquid, any container can hold. Briefly, I will explain to you the meaning of capacity with this example. There are 3 glasses of identical sizes. Glass A contains 125 ml of water. Glass B is full and holding 250 ml of water. And in glass C, the water is getting overflowed. As each of the glass is of identical size, we can say that the maximum amount of water glass can hold here is 250 ml. Hence, 250 ml is the capacity of this glass. If you try to add more water, it cannot accommodate further beyond its capacity as seen in glass 3. Now let's see some more examples. The water bottle has a capacity of 1 liter. The maximum amount of milk this can hold is 2.5 liter. Similarly, a perfume bottle, juice carton, and oil bottle have different capacities, and these are mentioned below as 150 ml, 50 ml, and 500 ml respectively. Here, we have expressed the volume in the different containers using abbreviations either L or ml. So what is the significance of these? Let's talk more about it. So what is this ml or L? ml stands for milliliter and L stands for liter. We need some standard to express this volume or compare the volume occupied by a container. We are referring to it as a unit. These are called the units of capacity in the metric system. As you can see in the previous example, the milliliter is a smaller unit of capacity and liter is a bigger unit. Now the question is, how small is the unit ml compared to liter? Here is a relation between ml and L. 1000 ml equals 1 liter. 1 teaspoon approximately equals 5 ml of water. So, 200 such spoons will make the quantity equal to 1000 ml, means 1 liter. We can explain the relation between liter and milliliter with this example. Suppose you have a water bottle of 500 ml or half liter capacity. How many bottles required to make a quantity of 1 liter? We have a relation 1000 ml equals 1 liter. Hence, 1 more bottle of 500 ml is needed to make the volume 1000 ml, that is 1 liter. Now, how to convert milliliter into liter and liter into milliliter? As we have the relation 1000 ml equals 1 liter. Hence, 1 milliliter equals 0.001 liter. To convert milliliter to liter, multiply the ml value with 0.001 or divide ml value with 1000. Likewise, to convert liter to ml, multiply the L value by 1000 as 1 liter equals 1000 ml. Here are some examples. Can you do the conversion? Gia is having 750 ml of orange juice. Can you convert this volume into liters? To convert it into liter, we have to multiply ml value with either 0.001 or we have to divide ml value with 1000. This will give us answer 0.750 liter. Here is another example. James drinks 2 liters of water every day. Can you answer how much ml water he drinks daily? To convert liter to milliliter, we have to multiply the liter value with 1000. So, 2 multiplied by 1000 gives you the answer 2000 ml. So kids, we learned in this video about capacity and units of capacity in metric system. Further, we learn about conversion of liter into milliliter and milliliter to liter. We studied some examples of conversion.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.